Everyone, I'm hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, in this video I will discuss about some of the, you can say that subject wise reference book for from CMA Foundation to till CMA final. So guys, we are starting first of all CMA Foundation. So in CMA Foundation, although study material is sufficient, okay, so first of all for CMA Foundation we will categorize into two parts: those students who are taking classes and those who are doing self study. Those who are doing self study, so I can say that for accounts, economics, and you can say that mathematics, the study material is sufficient for you. But for law, although the law is new for foundation students, so you can buy some reference book. From where you need to buy reference books? Those your CMA Foundation friends who are taking the classes from respective teachers, you can take the photocopy of these books, and yes, you can easily manage your foundation. And those are taking the classes. Now for those who are taking the classes, study material and those material provided by your coaching institution, just follow for them. No need to go here and there, this reference book, foundation, this is sufficient. Okay, now what will my strategy during my CMA Foundation? So in CMA Foundation I have taken the classes nearby my area, so I have followed the study material and the material provided by my private coaching institution, and nothing more than that I have bought. Apart from this, yes, I have bought the CA scanner, which lot many MCQs are available. Yes, in our time the foundation is also take place in MCQ based. So hope you understand. Now come to CMA Intermediate. So now for CMA Intermediate we'll discuss about paper number 5, financial accounting. In financial accounting, guys, financial accounting is purely you can say that a practical portion, so I can assure you that study material is more than sufficient. Study material, please understand, study material is more than sufficient. Do the study material, then come up with the past year paper, model paper, MTP or RTP. Okay, model paper, past year paper, MTP, RTP is applicable for every paper. Okay, every paper. Okay, now come to financial accounting. So those who are doing self study, study material sufficient, you need not to buy any reference book. Now come to those who are doing taking the classes for financial accounting, just study material and plus the study you can say that the material provided by your private coaching institutions. Now come to law. So guys, for theoretical subject, my suggestion to you, buy some reference book. Okay, so law, study material plus reference books. Which reference books? Those are taking the classes, follow the respective material provided by the coaching institution. But those are managing or doing self study, so I am suggesting for law paper number 6, some you can take the photocopy from your friends who are taking the classes. Okay, you can see that some of the teachers I am telling, CA Mohit Agarwal sir, you can take the photocopy of the books from your friends. CA Raghav Goyal, CA Siddharth Agarwal, and CS Arjun Chabra sir. Okay, so these are the best teachers for paper number 6 law. Okay, those students are taking classes, just follow the study material and the, you can say that material provided by private coaching institution. Those are doing self study, need to take photocopy of, as I have told. Now come to paper number 7, direct taxation. So for direct taxation, indirect taxation, for inter or final, I always suggest to buy some reference book. Okay, study material plus you can say that must necessary the reference book for direct taxation or indirect taxation if you are a inter student, if you are a final student. Okay, so now which will be beneficial for you, some reference book. Okay, for Bhavar Burana sir, CA Bhavar Burana sir reference book you can buy, CA Vijay Sarda sir book, and CA Suraj Agarwal. Okay, now you will say that ki CA Vijay Sarda sir and Bhavar Burana sir is teaching for CA students, so almost 80 and 85% course curriculum is same, so you can manage, and the remaining 15% you can manage from the study material. So my suggestion to you, CA Bhavar Burana, CA Vijay Sarda, and CA Suraj Agarwal. CA Suraj Agarwal sir prepare their books according to the CMA course 100%. Okay, so now come to paper number 8, cost accounting. You need not to buy any reference books. If you are doing self study, please understand, read from study material. You need not to buy for paper number 8 any reference book. But those are taking the private classes, so study material plus you can say that the material provided by your private institutions. Okay, now come to OMSM. Those are taking the classes, study material plus the material provided by private coaching. Those are doing self study, you need not to buy any reference book. I can assure you that study material is sufficient for paper number 9, OMSM. Now come to paper number 10, cost and FM. So guys, cost and FMs, those are doing self study, study material is sufficient, no need to buy any reference books. Okay, and for those who are taking the classes, simple rule, study material plus you can say material provided by your private coaching institution. Now paper number 11, indirect taxation. I always say that for direct tax and indirect tax, buy some reference books. Okay, for indirect taxations, if you are same the rule, if you are taking the classes, so study material plus material provided by your private coaching. But those are doing study material, and the best reference book I can share that CA Visar Bhattar sir, CMA Priyanka Saxena ma'am, and you can say that CA Suraj Agarwal sir. These are the best for indirect taxation, paper number 11. Now come to paper number 12, company accounts and audit. Same rule, those are taking the classes from private coaching, study material plus the institute, the material provided by private coaching. And those who are doing self-study, paper number 12, company accounts and audit, study material is sufficient. For audit, if you are uncomfortable from study material, although I have read from study material, paper number 12, okay, audit. But if you are facing problem in theoretical subject, then you can buy the buy, or you can take out the photocopies of CA Nikhil Gupta sir audit book. Okay, now come for CMA final students. Corporate law. So corporate law, those are taking the classes, go with the study material and the material provided by private coaching. Those are doing self-study. Some reference book for CMA final corporate law, CA Mohit Agarwal sir books, CA Raghav Goyal, CA Siddharth Agarwal, and CS Arjun Chabra. So you can buy the reference book of these. And first of all, for corporate law, you can say paper number 13. The important is old CA final old book of CA Munish Bhandari, which is one of the key. I have also buy the old, same book. Now come to paper number 14. 14 study material is more than sufficient. But if you want to buy some reference book, so I can see that CA Nagendra Shah and CA Aditya Jain sir reference book you can follow. I have followed CA Aditya Jain sir during my CMA journey. Now come to paper number 15, strategic cost management. Guys, strategic cost management, my suggestion to you, you need not to buy any reference book, just go with the study material. I can assure you that study material is more than sufficient for paper number 5, strategic cost management. Now come to paper number 16, direct taxation. For direct taxation, I always say that buy the reference book, study material plus reference book. You can buy CA Bhavar Burana sir, CA Vijay Sarda sir, and CA Suraj Agarwal sir. These three best as per my experience. Okay, now come to you can say that paper number 16 we have already direct taxation. Now come to paper number 17, CFR. Study material is more than sufficient for CFR, but if you want to buy the reference book, okay, so CA Ranjay Mishra sir and CA Santosh Kumar sir, you can buy the reference book for paper number 17, CFR, corporate financial reporting. Now come to paper number 18, indirect taxation. For indirect taxation, you must buy the reference books, CA Visar Bhattar sir. For indirect taxation, paper number 18, Priyanka Saxena, CA Priyanka Saxena ma'am, and CA Suraj Agarwal. You can buy the reference book of any of these teachers. Now come to paper number 19 and paper number 20. Study material is more than sufficient, and you can easily score exemption with self-study for paper number 19, cost and management audit, and SPM and BVM. Paper number 20, you can say that study material is sufficient. But if you want from me to suggest you some reference book, 100% only one name, Nikhil Gupta sir books and notes are more than sufficient to get exemptions in paper number 19, cost and management audit, and paper number 20, you can say that SPM and BVM. So these are my recommendations, which strategy I have also followed during my CMA journey and easily crack my CMA all exams, foundation, inter or final. Okay, so this is the recommendation for reference books. Apart from this, you guys can also suggest me if you have some other suggestions. So yes, those suggestions are also welcome, so that I can include, and this suggestion will also benefit to upcoming CMAs. Okay, from my side, that's all about in this video. You need any guidance, you need any suggestions, you can ask me, and surely I will try to help you. Such kind of videos I will make in future also. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.